Are you struggling with data analysis for PDFs? Are you struggling to search and discover from PDFs? Are you struggling with knowledge management for PDFs? Today, we are going to record a complete guide that how AI tool can do your work for free of cost and you can use it for free. Here is a complete tutorial. Hi, no doubt, no doubt. Let's figure it out. Today we will discuss that how can you use a free AI tool that can do your work easily as you want. Let's take a deep dive in it and you will absolutely enjoy. Okay guys, you just need to Google the word Humata AI and then the very first website appears to you. You just need to click it and now click on the sign up button. Here you have to do just a few relevant clicks. Now you just need to click on the upload button and you need to click on the PDF you want to analyze. Okay, we just need to wait for the data analysis and the knowledge management. Here we have the PDF. Now few seconds later we will have it assess it. Okay, we can ask you now see how our PDF. Oh wow, document is guiding the AI, covering topics such as coding in AI, career growth, learning technical skills, scoping successful AI projects, and job searching. Okay, just ask if the question is in the book. If the book answers this question, let's see. Here you can see that it is analyzing complete of the book and giving us the page numbers as well. Okay, now once again, look complete definitions with the people who have said that if it is present in the book, then it will absolutely analyze it. As you have seen that it is best at data analysis, it is best at knowledge management, and it is very much best at search and discovery for the PDFs for the books. You will absolutely enjoy it. A very special thing on your way. Just stay connected and appreciate if you like the content.